going, keep going. Sniper, moving. Enemy down. Enemy down. Let's go. Let's go. Watch out, dude. Their spawn's right over there. Enemy down. Get ready, dude. They're gonna come from this way. Taking fire from my 12. Hey, move up, guys. Come on. You can take their spawn. Reloading. Hey, how we doing on front, dude? How you doing on your 12? Hey, one my direct 12 on the building. He's hit. Hey, start moving. Watch out on the left. That's their spawn down there. You ready? Wanna take it? Wanna take it? Moving. Moving. Hey, come on, come on, come on. That's their spawn right there. My direct 12. I think that guy's out of las. Nope. Moving with you. Watch that river. Enemy down. Enemy down, enemy down. Yep, get ready, get ready. They're gonna come from this way. Enemy down. Hey, move right, move right. Go, I got you covered. Go, right now, right now, right now. Hey guys, come on. Come on. Yeah, we got one my direct 12. Reloading. That's their spawn. That's Scott. Don't shoot Scott. Anyone who's shooting at it. Hey, my 12, right 12, right here, this wood mound. Enemy down. Come to me, Matthew, right now. Call that. Yeah, my direct 12, right here. Watch that wood. Hey, right here on my 12. Shoot him, dude, shoot him right now. Yep, shoot him. You hit? Are you? Hey, Matthew, my direct 12 on the little wood mound. Shoot him. Watch him. I'm reloading. Yeah, I do. You want me to frag him? No, he's still there. No, he's dead. No. Hey, they're spawned. Matthew, come to me. My direct 12, see this guy in the bushes? I'm having gun troubles. Just shoot him. He's my direct 12. Shoot him right now. See his outline in the bush?
What, that one right there?
Yeah, shoot him. Either he's not calling it or he's in their spawn. I don't know which. Probably the second one. We'll see though. Hey, you ready to move? Let's go. You ready? Shit, what the hell?
What?
Battery dead? The hell I think it is. Or is it disconnected? No? The hell? Give me your gun, Anthony, if you want. Thanks. Doesn't matter. It's something. You want to run there with your tack and take him out? My 12. There's spawns right over there too.
Yeah, you can come up.
Do you want to run in there or do you want to cover me? I'm gonna go prone. Hold up.
Hey,
Shit. What's wrong with you gun now? Enemy down.
Cody, we got Cody, is he still there?
Your gun's fucking up, man. There we go. Shit.
He said he would cover us if you want to run down there and keep that.
Hey, you want to cover us? Scott, you might want to get ready. At the charge time. Yo, you want to go, mate? Hold up, just checking. Let's go. Attack front, move. He's hit. Hey, fall back. Reloading. Are you hit, Anthony? Or no, Matthew? Shit, my bad. There's still one down there. Nice. Fuck, gloves. The thing is, if I go down there, they keep putting their rifles up. Lost our guy on right. Let me see if I can get my rifle functioning again. I don't know. Matthew left me his too, though. There we go. Shoot him. If he's not in their spawn, he's not dead. Oh, he's okay. That's from behind us, I think. Oh wait, no. Got him. Good job. Hey, can you cover me if I move right?
Yeah.
Moving. Hey, can you cover? Moving. You're dead? Hey, if you're gonna shoot, dude, move out of the spawn or I'm gonna shoot you. Wait, is the game over? Is that game? That's spawn trap, dude. Finally. Woo! Yeah, mate. Just gotta know how to spawn trap him.